Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries CNC vertical mill model K3SX, serial number 143CK932. Machine was new in 2014. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a ProtoTrack SMX control. It's very, very quiet, from 60 to 4,200 RPM. That's 3,000. You have a 10 by 50 table with 32 inches of X-axis travel and 16 inches of Y cross travel. That's the low range, the very bottom of it, or close to it. And that's the high part of the low range. Very, very quiet machine. Brake. It's manually moving the quill, which you can see works on the control like a digital readout. It's a glass scale. Ball screws. That's your Y. That's your X. Now we're going to move. Yep, there we go. We're moving it. So you have X and Y CNC motors and ball screws. Machine also has an R8 spindle, takes R8 collets, and you have a torque right power drawbar. It's original paint. It's nice and clean. Hey, thank you for watching our video.